I'm here to answer a question that I get a lot, and it's simply, Angel, what is estate planning? People get very concerned about this word estate, and they think it is only something for the rich and famous. I don't have an estate, I don't have a yacht, I don't have a mansion, so what do I need to plan about? I barely have anything. And estate planning is simply the process of putting your wishes in writing and creating a plan in case of your death and incapacity. So this can be taken care of through legal documents such as a last will and testament or a trust, which tell people this is the places and the persons that I want my things to go to and how I want them to go to those people. But it's also the process of creating powers of attorney in case you're incapacitated. So who might make financial decisions and pay your bills if you're unconscious and in the hospital as a result of an accident? Who's going to be making the medical calls for you if you're unconscious or have some type of long-term situation where you can't be making those decisions? So unless you put those things in writing, no one would be able to access your bank accounts or pay your bills. No one would actually be able to step in other than family members, which you may or may not want to be making those decisions for you, to determine what happens to you if you're in the hospital, and perhaps the worst case scenario, you're going to be in a permanently unconscious state. So estate planning takes care of those powers of attorneys. It's also the process of thinking about the things that maybe they don't have a lot of value, but they're priceless to you, and you want to make sure that they go to the right person. For example, our fur babies. The law looks at them as property. So if we're not here to ensure that they're going to another home, and we don't have any documents in place saying that this is the individual who will become their guardian, and here is perhaps a small pot of money to take care of them, your fur baby could end up at the Humane Society or even another worst case scenario. And so part of our estate planning is making these emergency plans for those we care about. So even if you don't have a lot of per se wealth or stuff, the process of estate planning is about getting your plans and wishes in writing and ensuring that those that you love and want to take care of have a process in place, can easily go and help you if you're incapacitated. And it just makes sure that people are in a space to be able to grieve and take care of business if you're not there. Because if you're incapacitated or dead, you're not going to be able to answer their questions. You're not going to be able to tell them your wishes. So this is why everybody, young or old, does need to do estate planning. So I hope you reach out if you have any additional questions.